Shiba Inu coin soars 22% to another record after crypto whale buys 277 billion tokens. That's insane. Let's get right into the story. So Shiba Inu coin, a meme-based cryptocurrency that is based off another meme-based cryptocurrency that makes fun of cryptocurrencies altogether, soared more than 20% on Tuesday to hit a record high of 0.00004853, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The move higher in the cryptocurrency was sparked Monday evening after an anonymous crypto whale purchased 276.6 billion Shiba Inu tokens for about $11.5 million, according to data from Whale Stats, which tracks activity for the 1,000 largest Ether wallets. Now, the purchase brought the crypto whale's total holdings in Shiba Inu coin to 316.5 billion, worth about $15 million in the largest position in the wallet. Now that's very interesting. That means this whale not only is getting heavy into Shiba Inu, but they're so heavy that in their Ethereum wallet, where they have basically endless amounts of choices, are going extremely heavy in Shiba Inu, right? Now, you can also imagine as well, right? Imagine if this same whale put that same amount of money into Shiba Inu back in like January. Like, I don't even know what that would actually calculate to, but probably billions of dollars, right? It would be insane, right? So the surge in Shiba Inu represents a renewed wave of risk on sentiment among cryptocurrency traders, especially after Bitcoin surged to record highs earlier this month at about $67,000. Shiba Inu's Tuesday surge catapulted its market value to $18.8 billion, making it the 11th largest cryptocurrency. To crack the top 10, Shiba Inu coin will have to nearly double its levels to take over USD Coin's market valuation of about $33 billion. Dogecoin, the inspiration for Shiba Inu coin, would be the next target for Shiba Inu. It has a $35 billion valuation, and the technical analysis Katie Stockton of Fairlead Strategies said she thought the renewed rally in altcoins like Shiba Inu could continue if Bitcoin managed to confirm its recent breakout by trading above the $65,000 level again. So a breakout in Bitcoin in absolute terms would support a risk-on environment favoring Ether and other altcoins, Stockton said in the Tuesday note, and that type of environment could be a boon for Shiba Inu coin. So for example, right, let's say that Bitcoin ends up going to 100 grand per coin, right? That also means that Ethereum is probably going to be, I don't know, maybe like close to 10 grand at that point, which in turn means that everything that is basically ran on the Ethereum network, like Shiba Inu coin, is most likely going to get a massive bump in their price. So you can see how potentially a coin like Shiba Inu, even though it is a meme coin, even though it's basically like a joke, can still end up turning a lot of returns. That being said, if you want to get involved into Shiba Inu, only use money that you are willing to completely lose. Okay? So make sure that you are out of debt, that you have an emergency fund, that you're already investing for your future, and then you have some excess cash that literally, if you were to burn it in front of your house and then toss the ashes into the dumpster or your trash can, okay, and it has no effect on your life, then use that money, right? Like, you don't really want to be doing anything risky with money that you need. Keep in mind, right? Now, if you don't need this money and you just want to have fun, right? Or if you want to basically, focus more of your fun money, like going out to eat with your friends' money, towards something like this, I would say go ahead and do that, right? Because if this is just something that you are interested in, that you think is kind of fun, go ahead and do that, right? But understand that when it comes to like cryptocurrencies, especially, you can end up losing everything. So if you're prepared to lose everything and you still get involved with it, then it's not that big of a deal because you already know the risk going inside it, right? I just don't like seeing people end up basically putting money that they severely need into something that they really don't understand, right? And even if they did understand it, they never really factor in the risk. But hey, if you want to take the bet, go ahead and take the bet, right? But again, don't use money that you need, right? Don't use money that you need to pay for your car payment. Don't use money that you need to pay for your credit card debt. Don't use money that you need to pay for your mortgage or anything like that. People could get into very dangerous situations, and I want people to really avoid that, right? So if you are interested in this, only use money that will have zero impact on your daily life in the financial sense. Otherwise, feel free to give your thoughts. And if you like more cryptocurrency types of coverage, stay tuned for more. We cover all money related content. But let's actually read the comments on this article. So I bought 14.5 million shares of Shiba for 108 bucks in June. If it goes to a penny, I would have $145,000. Now that would be really insane. So Shiba would need a $4 trillion market cap to go to a penny. Considering all of crypto is $2.6 trillion, that's pretty much impossible. Now, I would have to agree that it is pretty much impossible. But that being said, let's say that this is like years and years down the line and we end up seeing Bitcoin at like $1 million a coin, right? It would not be that surprising to potentially see something like a Shiba Inu coin if the fans of that coin stay strong and hold forever and they continuously like burn and burn and burn more coins, then I could see it actually end up getting to that point, right? But I completely understand this person's thinking. So this person says, I think the point is there will be a lot of coins burned. Will it be enough for Shiba to hit 1 cent? That's what we are all hoping. Now, again, that's the thing, right? Will there be enough coins burned or basically gotten rid of so that the supply is lessened, meaning that there's going to be more demand for the limited supply of coins? Because right now there's a crazy amount of coins. So you got to think about that, right? Now, also, if you were to put money into it now and it just crashes like crazy tomorrow or like within a week or a month, right? And you end up not being able to sell it, you might, or maybe if you get like emotional and you see that crash happen and you end up selling it, you could potentially lose everything that you put into it. So if you do want to get involved into something like this, think of the long-term perspective, right? And typically that's with like anything when it comes down to like investing. Think more of the terms of long-term investing, because typically if you think more long-term, you are less likely to actually lose money, right? Because also it helps you from being less emotional and you're not necessarily going to react to things that end up going super bad. That being said, let's say that if you were to put money into it and it ends up going to 1 cent or something super quick and you make a crazy amount of money, I would definitely cash out, right? Like if you are making a lot of money, I would cash out. Oh, look, someone's actually typing on this article while we're reading. What is this person actually going to write down here? Oh, they're actually going to respond to the thing. Okay, so someone's going to respond. Okay, but what are they going to write? You guys see this, right? Look at this thing. Moon. Okay, 41 minutes ago. Okay, just now. Just curious, what is it worth now? One person say, oh, wow, so this is like an active article. Yeah, so 12 viewing. Now that's interesting. So yeah, feel free to give your thoughts, right? Because obviously there's people who think strongly about this, but then also people just want to have fun and potentially make a lot of money. And hey, if you're able to make a lot of money, let's see what happens, all right?